Avoid using dirty, contaminated sponges. Brass wool is preferable to a sponge. Be sure to tin the tips after use to prevent oxidation. If you do use a sponge, never let it dry, and never wet it with tap water. For best results, you should always use distilled water on your soldering sponges. When changing tips, never remove tips or cartridges with pliers. You should always power down the station and use the included tip change pad to change tips. Remember, your soldering iron is not a screwdriver. Proper care extends tip life and saves you money.